Hello everyone, welcome to Tradani Solution. So for today, we are going to I'm going to teach you how you can set up your MT4 and MT5 count or application. So here, so first thing, I would suggest to have a clean this one block, and so to do this one set this setup, right click properties and then select the black background. So if you select this one green, you can see this is the result. So for me, I would like to make it black. And also I would like to have this section. This is what we called the um, period separator. So this period is since I am in 1 hour. So this is for this one this there is one day 1 day duration from this to this because I'm in 1 hour. So each candle is 1 hour, each candle. So next is to have your market here. So view market watch. So this is where you are going to find what um you are going to trade. Are you going to trade gold or BTC or USD CAD? You can add it here. Enter. So, oops, USD CAD. Why it's not here? USD CAD. Okay, here. So, but I would suggest to concentrate only in one symbol. So, for example, USD CAD for beginners. Do not try gold because it's not for beginners. So I would suggest Euro USD, something like that. So you're going to drag it. Okay, drag. So if you're going to concentrate only one symbol, you can you can close it once so that it's clean. So for this is I like this one. This is one click. So you can hide that one by going with this. But if you spot something that you want to trade, you can easily go at the left side and just click sell or buy. So that's how you put it there. Right click. This one click trading. The next is the toolbox view and then toolbox. So as you can see here, okay, this is where you're going to see your profits and yeah, if you trade, you can easily view your balance here and then that's basically it. So if you want to add indicators, but for me, I would suggest not, uh, it depends. So you can view and then go to indicators, view indicators. So there are several indicators here. Make sure you, for example, this one, trend, that one. So to remove that one indicator, just right click. So as you can see, if you hover that one, it will show the indicators details. So right click, then delete indicator. Okay. So To add the indicator, insert indicator like this one. You can set up this. So this is the indicator. So right click to remove this indicator, you need to go to right click. I forgot. I forgot how to remove the indicator then. I forgot. So insert indicator, right click, um, indicator list here. Sorry, I forgot. I thought there will be X here, X button here, but it's doesn't have. So just go to right click and then indicator list. You can click that one, then delete. Okay. So you can select different indicators. Okay, so that's it. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.